And here is Benchmade's Blue Lube lubricant. So what this is a lubricant that is specially designed for folding knives that goes in between the washer and the knife, and also the washer and the inner part of the scale. And it really does a great job of providing that slippery, nice to open, nice to close feeling on even non-Benchmade knives. It works amazing on Benchmade knives, but we literally use this on everything. We see a nice pocket knife come in and the action's a little stiff. We'll loosen it up a little bit, blow it out with our compressor, add Blue Lube into it, and it works infinitely better after that. It's on our website. It's always a bestseller. This stuff is absolutely amazing, and it comes in this really convenient. You just nip off as much of that as you want to, and it's literally blue. So it's called Blue Lube, and so it's super convenient. And if you go through one of these, there's also a bigger size you can get to refill this. But we've been using ours for an entire calendar year, and yeah, we've made a dent in it, but we haven't even had to start refilling it. So one of these will last you quite a while. Check the website for the current pricing, and thanks for watching.